Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to list all software programs on your Windows using a command. So it's simple and easy. You go to search and you write CMD, open it as an run as an administrator, allow it, click yes, and now you're supposed to be putting a command. I'm gonna put a description. You can see on top over here. That command is what you're supposed to be pasting over here. So I'm gonna come over here, paste. Sorry. I'm gonna come over here and paste it. Yeah. After it's already did, clicked enter. Just remove the text. So over here it's gonna take a lot of time, but it's gonna list all software apps in your device. And okay, as you see, listed them all. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.